Get all the soup out. Oh god, Tammy's dying again. Made it. What's up? We're really excited today because we're taking a bus further south from here, and we're landing up in a city called Kending, which is apparently where the beaches are and the really cool views are. So we're just getting ready and we'll see you guys once we're done. And apparently if you guys get to the bus stop earlier, there's a lot more buses in the morning before 12 o'clock. I think the buses come every 30 minutes, and if you guys get there after 12 o'clock or in the afternoon, then the bus comes every hour. So yeah, as usual, we obviously woke up late and we are only going to be at the bus stop probably like at 1 o'clock today.
We just checked out and we're now on the road.
谢谢。那下一班1点的车。1点 ，OK 好。要去哪里等车？下2号公车站。哦，下2号，OK 好。
We just made it on the bus, barely.
Took us 30 minutes to find this place to get a ticket.
So basically when you exit Surin station, you need to exit 1 and then go up the high-speed rail station. And as you come up the escalator, you'll see on the left is a ticketing station to buy tickets to Kenting. And then you'll go back down the escalators and you'll see the buses on your left-hand side.
Yeah, the bus to Kending leaves on platform 2, but you won't be able to really miss it because there are signs all over. So yeah, don't make
the same mistake we did, and we exited Zuring exit 2. But you need to actually exit Zuring exit 1.
And the ticket cost, if you buy a one-way ticket, it's 410 NT. If you buy a round trip, it's 600, so you save a little bit of money there. I'd recommend buying a round trip because if you want to go anywhere else, you're going to have to pass back through Kaohsiung anyway. So just get a round trip ticket if you guys are going to Kending.
And not just that, the seats are super big and nice and comfy. So I'm sure this 2-hour ride will be smooth sailing.
There's aircon, get cup holders, and there's a one-seater here. And then you can also hook stuff right over there. They've got plug points.
The bus has Wi-Fi. How cool is that?
We've just arrived in Kending and we're now looking for our place. The bus ride was super comfortable. It took us I think 2.5 hours to get here, so it wasn't actually too long. And if you forget to download any movies, the Wi-Fi is really fast, so you can utilize that to keep yourself entertained.
We just dropped off our bag and now we're just going to walk around the area and check out what's in this vicinity.
And we've made it to the beach. It's literally just like a 10-minute walk or 5-minute walk from our place. And there's actually no one here.
Because this beach is, you're not allowed to swim and you're not allowed to do jet skis, but you can walk along the water and just enjoy
The waves crashing.
along the beachside.
Spotted an alien.
So we actually figured out why you can't swim here. Underneath the water there's a lot of rocks, so that'll be pretty painful.
I am slightly hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Tams has spotted something. What have you spotted, Tam? Look what we spotted. Let's see if it does anything. Here it comes. Tam scared it earlier. So right now it's actually like a ghost town here, because the street that we're staying at is actually where the main night market is. So yeah, this place only really comes to life around 6 o'clock, I'm guessing.
We walked through the rain, found ourselves in a 7-Eleven, got ourselves some ice cream while we wait for the night market to open and before we check into our accommodation.
Since we are still waiting for everything to open up, we decided that we are going to do some research around this area so that we actually can plan our days and know what we're going to be doing for the next couple of days. So that's what we'll do while we wait. How's the research?
The research was good. We're gonna have to play it by ear because it is all outdoor activities. So holding thumbs that the weather keeps up, and at least it's overcast. And now we're gonna go check out the night market.
谢谢，多少钱？50，好，50，谢谢。
So we got our first drink. Looks like bubble tea, but I remember this frog thing is different to bubble tea. I just forgot what's the difference. So we're gonna give it a try and I'll let you know if it's the same. The milk tea that we got isn't really nice. It's not the one that I remember. So I'll try it at another store or wait for my parents to come through and then I'll ask them to order it for me, because we obviously ordered the wrong thing. Getting more food.
I ordered something super amazing. It's called xiaolongbao. So inside it's like a dumpling with like soup inside, and then they put like this like film at the bottom that makes it like super crispy, and it's really really delicious from what I remember. And how you're supposed to eat it is in one bite, because there's soup inside with the meat. You don't want all the soup to run out, so it's supposed to just be one big mouthful. Out of all our dishes, I've got a new favorite.
That's what you say about every dish.
I know, but this is just so good. I really genuinely mean, like, this is amazing. And the outside is like crunchy, the inside soft. The flavoring, it tastes like you put like some pepper and some 5 spice. And he says he put like some garlic. It's like a subtle hint of it, but like the flavor of this one, wasa. Like, I don't think this is gonna be enough, because I'm not sharing with Nick. And this one cost 80 NT. Totally worth it. This one. Come to Kenting just for this one.
That was unbelievably good. Like Tam said, it's really really good. So definitely try this store that we actually just went to. I think from walking up and down, I think he's probably one of the only stores that sell it here. I'm not sure, maybe it's just because it's raining, so some of the other stores are closed. So now we're on our way to walk around to find a few more dishes. Tam says she wants more xiaolongbao, but I told her no. Like, there's a lot of other food that we need to try, and if she fills herself on this, then there's not going to be anything else to eat.
I waited for you in the passenger seat. There's only so far I can ride in your dreams while you were chasing everything.
I have no idea what we ordered. Nick said it was fish eggs, but the lady said there is fish eggs inside, but we think there's also fish. We have no idea, but there was a queue, so our first bite of mystery food. It's battered fish paste. It's savory, but it's also a little bit sweet. There's an egg inside, and then it's wrapped with like fish paste, and then deep fried.
Much worth it?
This cost 50 NT for 2 pieces. We're just about to check in.
Tam is so embarrassing. These dogs.
Climbing up the tree.
They look like they're having lots of fun though. Get all the soup out. Oh god, Tam is dying again. Made it.
Somebody else.